So I'm just going through this website, newprofilepic.com, and this app is kind of going viral. A lot of people try to discover what it's about. The world around is ever changing. Your online image should do too. The rules are simple. Select the profile picture you like most in your current state of mind and return a week later for new effects, new options, and new picture. Amaze your friends and followers with fresh-looking avatars that reflect your current mood. So let's just get the app and see exactly what this app is about. So there is iPhone app and there is Android app. And as you can see, this app is in top charts right now. So let's just install it. So I can easily install it using my Touch ID or Face ID. And there are only 800 ratings, but it's pretty high average rating, 4.8 out of 5. So you can AI-driven profile pic, and then just generate it. So it's kind of like cartoon character profile picture. Let's see what's new about it, because there are a lot of apps in this category. So then I just need to choose my photo. Seems it's not working. It's for some, okay. Finally it's working. So faces, I can just automatically select all the faces here from my camera roll. So maybe, for example, I can just select this face. And then I just need to wait a moment. Let your online photo be in tune with your mood. And then I just create this photo. So it creates kind of like a tune. And then it's just using AI, and you can see the progress as it's scrolling here in the top part. Okay, so it's still taking time. So it's just creating all of these images. You can actually edit it, and you can select exactly the area you want to. So for example, this is the image, and then I can just select different background, and then you can just post a collage and then just ask your followers to select an image. Okay, so this is basically the photo. So for example, if I select this one, just more like a selfie photo. So overall, this app, as you can see, is just using AI to generate your profile picture, and then for different styles. And then you can select 4 more like for this specific image. And then you can just save and share. Like for example, you can then just download to your camera roll, or you can share on Snapchat or Instagram or whatever. And then there is just about us, and that's basically it. So as you can see, now you can use, like, I didn't pay anything, I didn't need to create an account, so that's basically how it works. There are all these different filters and images. And you can select different levels of cartoonization and how the app might look like. So yeah, if you like this kind of cartoons, that's what you can do, and you can easily, yeah, it works pretty smoothly, and then you can just save it to your camera roll. So image saved, and there you have it. Of course, there is a watermark here in the bottom right. You can see that there is a watermark. At this moment, there is no way to remove this watermark, so it is what it is. Probably there should be some upgrade version to figure that out, but yeah. So that's basically it. That's the overview. That's the app. Let's just also go through some of the reviews, what people are saying. How it works: upload your photo, choose from a variety of amazing styles, including AI-driven cartoon portraits. So come back whenever you feel it for even more styles and brand new peak. And yeah, a lot of good reviews actually. Like, people seems to be liking this app. So yeah. So anyhow, yeah, you can get this app on iPhone, you can get it on Android. I hope you enjoyed this quick preview, and thank you for watching.